Hello, new Arabic lesson in Arabic in 5 minutes. Hello everyone, welcome back to Arabic in 5 minutes. In today's lesson, we will learn I use for daily expressions and Arabic phrases that you can use every day in simple conversation. Let's start and speak Arabic together. Where is the bathroom? أين الحمام? How much is it? كم السعر? Can you help me? ممكن مساعدة؟ أين الحمام؟ كم السعر؟ ممكن مساعدة؟ I don't understand. لا أفهم. Do you speak English? هل تتكلم الإنجليزية؟ Where is the market? أين السوق؟ I want this. أريد هذا. Yes. نعم. No. لا. You're welcome. عفواً. Sorry. آسف. Just repeat it. What time is it? كم الساعة? When does it close? متى يغلق? Can you wait? هل يمكنك الانتظار? Where is the nearest station? أين أقرب محطة? Can I pay here? هل يمكنني الدفع هنا? Good. The end. That's all for today's lesson. You've learned useful daily Arabic phrases. Amazing job. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Arabic in 5 minutes.